Good day folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a circle to pass through a given point and to touch a line at a given point. So in this case we're going to draw a circle to pass through a given point. So let the given point be, let's say point P. So and it's also going to touch a line at a given point. Let it touch this line at point Q. So in this case the first thing to do is to draw the given point P and given point Q on the line. So now we are going to join QD. So we are going to draw a line QD perpendicular to AB. So this AB is the initial line. Let's call it AB, the continuous line. So let's draw a line perpendicular to the initial line. So another way of drawing, if you don't want to use a set square or if you don't have one, you can use this construction method to draw a perpendicular line. So this is how to construct a perpendicular line. So here we go. Now the next step is we are going to join QP, and at P make an angle QPE equal to angle PQD. So let's join Q to P, and at P we'll draw an angle QPE equals to angle PQD. So this is D here. So what that means is that we're going to copy this angle here. So this angle, we just have to copy this angle. So just open your compass to this radius and copy this arc. So since it still passes through the angle, you can copy the arc. Then let's just open your compass to how wide it will be. Then you cut. So this is the angle. So you now draw a line through P, through this line. So now it passes through this perpendicular. It cuts a perpendicular at a point E. Let's call it E. Now that point E will be the radius of the required circle. So all we need to do is we just draw a line passing through P and Q. So you can see that this line passes through P and Q. So this is the circle. So this circle touches points P and Q. So this is how to draw a circle to pass through a given point and to touch a line at a given point. Thanks for watching.